Alright, we're going to go over some procedures on the Regen on the 278 with the controller up on the steering column. A couple of things that we have to look at. So we're going to start this up. The screen is already up because it went through its diagnostic once. We got to make sure that the parking brake is set, and we're going to make sure that we're in neutral. Alright, with that being said, your screen looks normal. To get to in order to get to your screen, this little arrow button right here will pop up the screens. It'll say main menu. Once you hit the main menu, you'll take your scroll button and you'll scroll down past the black panel onto the next menu. Once you hit the diagnostics, you'll scroll down to maintenance. Once you have scrolled down to maintenance, you'll take the arrow button and press it. It'll bring you up onto the main maintenance menu. After you get to the maintenance, you'll scroll down. It says request park regen. You'll press, once you hit the request park regen, you'll press the arrow again, which then will turn around and transfer data into the computer system and request a regen. If it doesn't take, meaning that it says conditions not met, check the ATS status menu. It'll show you different things on where you're at as far as percentage, which is off in the main menu itself. This is the screen you'll have. You might have to do this 1 or 2 times, maybe 3 times, but it should be done after the second time. It will take if it needs a regen. That's it. Everything else will go back, and we'll take the arrow button back, and then get back to the main menu and on the ESL button, and put you back on the main side of the dash itself.